Thank you very much. So guys, sobrang exciting lahat ng pag nag-enroll kayo dito sa film school natin na Asian Pacific Film Institute, magiging exciting talaga yung magiging journey natin dito. More than anything, kung gusto mo maging filmmaker, isa sa mga bagay na natitake for granted yung production management. Sobrang vital ito sa filmmaking, lalo na kung wala kang budget. So, most of the time, lalo na sa mga indie setups, yung directors na rin, yung mga um, nagiging PM na rin talaga or nagpi-PM ng mga projects nila. So, basically, itong mismong course natin, next, magkakaroon tayo ng mga top takeaways dun sa mismong magiging classes natin. Yes, production management class. Yes. So, unleash your management mojos. So, dito sa magiging class natin, next slide, yung mga top takeaways natin would be, number one, matuturuan kayo ng art of budgeting, which is very, very important, lalo na kung nagsa-start out ka pa lang or sobrang low budget yung mga projects mo. Number two would be supercharged organization. As we all know, production management, kailangan talaga maging organized ka. So, I'm hoping to teach yung mga techniques or makabigay ng tips on how to be organized. And then number three, yung time management wizardry. So very, very important yan kasi lalo na kung low budget ka, time is gold. So every time na nag-overtime ka, may may equivalent na expenses yun. So very important yun sa production management is how you also manage the time. And number three, yung creative problem solving. So yung creativity dito, ibang aspect naman ng filmmaking siya. So how to solve problems, think on your feet, yung pagiging cool under pressure. So those are the things that I hope to be able to instill in all of the students. And then yung fifth natin would be yung power of collaboration. As we all know, no man is an island, lalo na pag sa filmmaking. It's collaborative. So kailangan nyo talaga na makipag-interact sa ibang tao, mag-collab. So very, very important yun. So isa sa mga takeaways din yun pag na-end nyo na yung pinaka-production management class natin. And then, yung pinaka-last but not the least, yung safety first. After the pandemic talaga, nagka-spotlight talaga sa safety protocols when it comes to filmmaking. So, actually ako, SO2 ako, nag-seminar ako ng safety officer certificate number 2 ang nakuha ko. So certified ako. So isa sa mga things na ituturo ko rin sa mga students yung tungkol sa safety protocols. So next slide. So in terms of the art of budgeting. So sa classes natin, yung mga topics natin would help the students make the most out of every peso, help you guys forecast expenses and understand cost breakdowns. So I'm going to share yung mga paano ako gumagawa ng budget kasi challenge talaga 'yun eh. Paano mo uumpisahan ang cost mo? So more than sa filmmaking, I do a lot of advertising projects din. And isa sa mga halos hindi ata natatapos yung linggo, palagi akong gumagawa ng mga cost estimates. So isa sa mga bagay na ituturo ko rin sa mga students on how to make yung cost estimates for an elaborate film, from a simplest type of film to an elaborate film. From a music video na walang budget to a music video na may budget. So, next. Yung next naman natin, yung supercharged organization. Production management talaga, as I've mentioned earlier, you have to be able to bring harmony to the production process. So, dito sa magiging class natin, ikaw yung will make sure that everything is running smoothly. Kailangan para lang hindi kayo mag-overtime, hindi kayo mag-over-budget. So parang ikaw yung nagkukumpas talaga, making sure that everything is running smoothly. And nandun ka to help the director realize his vision. So next. In terms of time management naman, very important yung isa sa mga ituturo ko sa inyo, yung efficient use of time and resources. Next. Balancing competing priorities. So, alam mo yun, yung isa sa mga beauties talaga ng production management is yung pag honestly, nakaka-challenge din talaga. But isa sa mga fulfilling things about production management is when you encounter challenges along the way and being able to think on your feet and be able to overcome those challenges eh. So, doon lalabas talaga yung ano yung kailangan mo unahin na i-solve, etc. So, very important yun. Next. And then still, time management wizardry, yung pag-allocate ng time and energy. Filmmaking is not really easy, di ba? So, it entails a lot of time, effort, physically exhausting siya. Kung tutuusin, you have to have a lot of energy. And kailangan mo kasi maging efficient and effective in terms of running the whole production. So, again, part ng magiging isa sa mga classes natin is how to properly do schedules, break down scripts, etc. And para mas ma-maximize mo yung mga resources na meron ka. So work smart tayo when it comes to filmmaking. Okay, next slide. Okay. So in terms of production management, as I've mentioned, diba, after the class, I'm hoping that the students will develop the skill of creative problem solving. So, alam mo, isa sa mga sobrang gusto kong ka-work din when it comes to sa mga production managers or sa production management team is always being positive. Palaging go, go, go. Kaya natin yan. Hindi yung, ay, may problema. The end. Wala kang choice eh. You really have to be able to solve the problem right there and then. So, palaging dapat yung target natin when it comes to production management is, okay, kung may problema, paano natin susolusyonan? Then siguro after na ng shoot, siya nyo discuss kung ano ba yung mga pwedeng ginawa na steps para naiwasan yung ganung klaseng problema. But then kasi ano yan eh, napaka-organic din talaga ng filmmaking. So isa sa mga skills na very important yun when it comes to production management, yung creative problem solving. So kailangan talaga may para kang MacGyver, may duct tape literal and figuratively and at the same time, brilliant mind. O, diba? Okay, next. So, ang filmmaking, grupo yan. So, marami ka talaga makakasalamuha talaga when it comes to filmmaking. So, importante yung power of collaboration. So, nandun yung effective communication, to avoid any miscommunications, etc. And again, malaking factor yun in making sure that the production runs smoothly, yung effective communication. Number two, dapat team player ka talaga. Kung introvert ka at ayaw mo ng tao, baka hindi filmmaking ang para sa'yo. But, pwede namang shy type ka, tapos i-develop mo na lang yung skills mo of collaborating. So, ang importante lang naman talaga when it comes to filmmaking, palagi kong sinasabi to sa mga naturuan ko, is yung keeping an open mind, listening to each of the members of um the group. So very, very important yan. And then part of the power of collaboration then is yung building strong relationships. Because filmmaking, again, it's nurturing relationships, guys. So dito, sa mga magiging projects natin and assignments and final project, isa to sa mga sana ma-develop natin yung power of collaboration. Over the years, nakakatuwa na makita na a lot of students, different batches, nagkakaroon through yung mga different projects, doon nila na discover yung tribe nila, nahanap yung tribe nila, tapos eventually nakakasama nila sa mga rackets outside school or sa mga films nila, yung mga naging classmates na rin nila, yung nagiging part ng film crew nila, film creative core group or whatever. So, ito yung isa sa mga things na gusto kong ma-develop ng mga students sa APFI is yung power of collaboration. And yun nga, Testament over the years, ang dami ng ganun na nag-form ng sila-silang mga groups. Tapos naging production house na rin sila and nag-flourish talaga sila. So, next. Okay, ito, sobrang importante to is yung safety first, always. So meron na tayong yung Joint Administrative Order number 2020-001, yung Health and Safety Protocols for the Conduct of Film, Audiovisual Production, Shoots, and Audiovisual Activities during COVID-19 pandemic. Yes, meron yun. Pero hanggang ngayon, sana ma-apply pa rin natin yung mga safety protocols na kasama dito. So isa sa mga things din na ituturo ko rin sa class yon, how to create a healthy and safe policies for the safety of everyone, creating risk assessment, and putting controls in place to avoid any untoward incidents. So, isa sa mga topics na pag-uusapan din natin yan in class. Next. Parang yun na ata yun. Ayun, let's have fun, guys. Aja-aja fighting. I hope to see you in class.